Hey everyone, CPO here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a PDF document as a template for a notebook. And this is pretty cool. This is something I can do in the Boox device. This is a Note 3 that I can't seem to do in other devices like the Remarkable 2 or the Remarkable 1. But I'm going to show you how you can take a multi-page PDF document and use it as a growing template for a notebook, which gives you all of the benefits of a notebook, or a notepad in this case is what they call it, but also the benefits of having PDF templates. So where this comes in handy and where I'm using it is with a planner. All right, so on this micro SD card, I have a PDF file. So I'm going to plug this into the device, and it's just going to read it as a USB device. And then I'm going to copy over my PDF. So this is the one, January CPO Daily Planner Rev2.pdf, that I want to bring over. And where I want to put it is in the Note Template folder in storage. So I'm going to paste it there. And now I have this file right there. I can go ahead and pull my USB device out. So this is a daily planner. If you open it up, it's just a PDF. I'll read it in the Boox planner. So the first page is blank by design, so I can put whatever cover I want. Maybe I'll draw something, I don't know. Next page is sort of a year look calendar. And then I start with a overview of January. And then I get into the dailies for January. So January 1st, January 2nd, January 3rd. And so this is set up to show, and this is just you can go get PDF versions of planners from anywhere. It's got some interesting things in there. But the point is it's already filled out. January 4th, week 1. And then the weeks change, and there's little notes in here that change, giving you fun things to do. So a guy actually built this, and I thought it was really cool. So I downloaded it and sort of modified it a little bit to make it my own. It doesn't matter. This isn't about the PDF. It's about how to use the PDF as a growing template. Now, with the documents, right, as a PDF and the books, I can automatically write on it. I've got access to write. So, for example, I can go straight to January 1st, put some tasks in here, put some notes in here, and then draw something here, put in some calendar items. I can do all of that off of the PDF document. However, none of this is searchable. And even though I can change, well, that didn't work out very well. Notes into holes. Let me do that a little bit better. If you didn't know, you can set it to double tap to convert to text. But let's say I want to write something in here and I want to be able to search for it later. I can search my PDF and we'll just put in the word test and do a search, and I've got 47 pages not in there, right? So if it can search the document, if I search for notes, you'll see it can search the document, but it's not able to search my annotated scribbles here. So, and I can go through and use it like a regular PDF. One thing I do have is table of contents view. So I do have the benefit of having a PDF document, but and I can write on it and use it and then export it off. But I can't search the annotations, and I don't get full benefits. It's a little bit of a clunky interface. So what I like is the notepad interface. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to delete this because this was what I had before. I'm going to add a notepad. If I look at my template, you have the built-in templates, or because I put that in Note Templates, I have the option of adding this PDF as a template. So it's going to replace the existing one. Okay, cool. Now my first page is blank, expected. Let's say I wanted to write something so that it shows up there. So now you can see it's January, and it's one of one page. But watch this, if I add a page, I get the second page of my PDF, 2 of 2. If I add another page, I get the third page of my PDF, including, oddly enough, any annotations I already have. But now I'm in actually the notes section. So it's a little bit different. So I have this test here. What if I do a search for test? Nothing found, right? Because this is built into the PDF. But now let's go ahead and write test as a notepad and see what happens. Let's do a search for that. And boom, now my stuff is searchable. So that's pretty cool. And I have 4 out of 5 pages. I can go to the next page, January 2nd. If I just keep adding pages, it keeps pulling January 3rd, the next page out of the PDF template. The 4th, January 5th, now I'm at 8 pages. I can go look at my page sorter and see my PDF template is being imported page by page as I need it. Now, what you can do, especially for a planner, is go ahead and just add the whole lot of the month. You know why? Because you may want to go write something in a future day, and this gives you the ability to do that. So I'm just adding pages, and as I continue to add pages, my notebook grows, 21, 22, 23, and it's pulling a new page out of the PDF every single time. I'm almost done here. 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st. Yeah, and I'm pulling into February now. Okay, so now I go to my page sorter and I can see I've got all of these dates of January. So one thing that is really cool about this is, again, I have all the benefits of a notepad. Each page has its own template with pre-filled date information. So I don't have to go in and do that. It's searchable. So search. So if I want to go back and search my tasks or my notes or my appointments, I can do that. On top of that, if I want to manipulate and say add pages or rearrange pages or delete pages, I can do that as well. So let's say I didn't want a fancy cover page. I didn't really want the year in review, and I didn't want this overall January, and I wanted January 1st to start on page 1. I can just delete these. Delete them, boom. Now January 1, January 2, January 3, January 4, and it just realigns everything. What's cool about that is, from a day planner perspective, the one thing I don't have is a table of contents in the notepad view, but I have a page sorter. Now each page is aligned with each day of the month. So if I want to go to January 25th, I just come down here and select 25, and lo and behold, right here, January 25th. So I can use this to my benefit by sort of manipulating how the pages align with the numbers. I have a blank page here. Let's say I wanted to add another blank page somewhere. I can come in here, select that page, duplicate it, Now I have 2 blank pages. Now this second blank page, I can move it wherever I want to put it. I want to make it, you know, page number, I don't know, let's put it to the end. 39 of 39. Now I have a blank page at the very end of my notebook. Or I can move it around. If I want, let's say back in January 1st, let me set this to move it. And let's put, I forget where January 1st was, but it was probably around 4. We'll take a look. So yeah, January 1st was page 4. So the real January 1st is now page 5. So I'm going to just take this and move it over. Boom, shifted. So now I have January 1st and then a blank page. And then January 2nd. So I don't know if you're catching on to this, but now I've basically done what I couldn't do in a PDF, which is insert additional pages and move them around and delete them in a way that I couldn't do. So I just wanted to share this with you because this is actually how I plan on using this planner for my 2021 is by using a PDF template. And then what day is this? This is the 2nd. So I'm already here on the 2nd. And then it's Saturday. I can come in here, fill out my stuff, do all my things. Tomorrow will be Sunday. Same thing. Do that, whatever. And then I can always just export this off and save it as a PDF. And it will export it off just as a regular PDF notepad. But I've got my my actual planner in the back end. So I don't know. There's some of you that are going to be like, yeah, I don't understand. It's dumb. Some of you are going to get this and go, holy crap, that's cool. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.